Here is how I get a lot of my tech subscriptions and some other like non-techy stuff for free or at a significant discount. I signed up for something called Vitality, and Vitality is one of the best and the most rewarding and valuable, well, in my opinion, health or life insurance policies here in the UK. And I've mentioned it in a few of my videos, and every single time I mention it, I get asked the same question of, what is this Vitality thing you keep talking about? So, well, here is that video where I'm going to talk about what Vitality is, how much it costs me, and all of the free stuff I get each month, all of the discounts that you can also get. And if any of that sounds interesting to you, there'll also be a link down below to get £100, I think, back when you sign up. So yeah, that's pretty cool. First up, what is Vitality? Well, here in the UK, it is a company that provides private healthcare, not the NHS. So if you need any treatment, you don't need to wait for the NHS, which, due to recent events, now has the longest waiting time in UK history. As instead, now you can just go through the private system through Vitality. And they also offer life insurance and have some added benefits of signing up for that. So be sure to stick around until the end and I'll cover off those benefits too. But health insurance. Here is how much it costs and what I get for it. So I pay around £45 per month for health insurance, and in return that gives me private healthcare cover for, well, pretty much any treatment that I may need in the future. So that's all the important stuff. Now let's look at the good stuff, the freebies, the discounts, the stuff that makes this valuable to me, so to speak. So by spending £45 per month, I get all of this stuff from Vitality. Every week, I get a free coffee at Cafe Nero, a free movie on Rakuten, I think it's called. Every month, I also get a free cinema ticket when cinemas are open, free Amazon Prime membership, cashback on my American Express credit cards, 25% cashback on a food shop up to, I think it's £100, 50% discount on a gym membership, 12 months of the Headspace app on my phone, oh, and a free Apple Watch. All of that comes to round about £137.67, roundabout. And that's just the ones that I personally use. Otherwise, you can also get like 40% off of Samsung wearables, 36% off Fitbit, 40% off Garmin, 50% off like health screenings, 75% off spa resorts, 20% off hotel bookings, discounts on Nike, 6 months access to Peloton, 50% off of trainers, 40% off of with things. There's just so many more that you can get to. And all of that combined adds up to way, way more than I'm paying on a monthly basis, even when adding in the cost of the policy itself. And for me, it is just incredibly good value for all of those benefits alone, let alone all of the actual health insurance benefits you get of having like private medical cover, which hopefully I'll never have to use, of course. And all you have to do to get the most of those benefits is do around about 30 minutes of exercise 5 times per week, or you can do more than 12,500 steps each day, which quite a lot of people actually do in their jobs anyway. So, because the idea here is that if you stay fit and exercise, then it's less likely you're gonna need to claim on the insurance policy. So it's in their best interest to keep you fit, and they then incentivize you to keep fit by giving you like all of these discounts and rewards and free things. Absolutely 100% well worth it in my eyes. But that is just the health insurance cover. What about all the other benefits you can get from taking a second policy out too, which I did actually do recently by switching my life insurance policy over to Vitality. And well, when you have 2 policies, you can qualify for this thing they call Vitality Pink, and Vitality Pink will increase that 25% cashback on food shops up to a huge 40% cashback. And then on the American Express side of things, it doubles the cashback you get on any spending from 1% to 2%. So because I already had a health insurance policy on Vitality and I already had a life policy, well, somewhere else, it made total sense to me to move these to both together and to move my life policy to Vitality and just get all those extra benefits. It didn't cost me anything extra, but now we get to save up to, well, 40% on our food shops, and I'm getting money back on everything I spend on the personal Amex card. So again, all things considered, this is a really, really nice like life hack, so to speak. Put money in the machine and get more money out overall. So if you want to sign up for your own policy, then do check out the link down below where you will receive £100 for signing up. Subscribe to the channel for more handy dandy tips like these. Like the video if you haven't already, and also click the notification bell to be notified when new videos are posted. And I'll see you in the next video. Cheers.